Now you're going to find out that your memory can be improved, and improving your memory, you are releasing a vast amount of energy, of your imagination and creativity. The most simple one of the memory system that you're going to learn in this course is the chain system. This system is basically like a short list of items, like the list for the shopping. So the main point here is that every item is chained to one to another. To put it simple, this system is based on the list of the items which is connected one to each other. While you were using the system, do not forget to use all 12 of the memory principles that you have learned so far, which is synesthesia, movement, association, sexuality, humor, imagination, numerical order, symbols, multicolors, principle of order, positive mental images, and exaggerating. And of course, do not forget to use all the 6 senses that you have. So instead, in a hurry, to write it down every item that you need to buy, or you just simply repeat the list over and over and over till you get it out, you simply can use the memory principle in the next manner. Be original, use your imagination and colors as much as possible, as I already have told you. So have a mental image of every item that you have on that list. Use your own imagination again and make it in a wit way so that you can remember it with more ease. Try to also exaggerate anything. You can even speed up the time of the process of that image that is going on. Overall, make a fun, short, speed-up, exaggerated story of you and those items that are on the list. Remember to use all the memory principles and to use all the senses in that story, and you will be amazed how easier it gets to remember a whole bunch of items on that list without even breaking a sweat. And the more fun and exaggeration you put in that story, the easier it gets.